Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel 1 2 Step, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can tag people on your Instagram from your laptop or PC. To do so, first of all, open up your Instagram on your laptop, and after that go on to the three dots which is on the top right corner of your screen, as you are not able to tag any person on Instagram unless you are on the mobile phone version on your PC as well. And after going on the three dots, click on the More Tools option. After that, go on to Developer Tools again. And then now this kind of pop-up will be on your screen. Here, click on the laptop mobile like icon on the left side of Elements. After you do so, now the version of the PC Instagram is converted into the mobile version of Instagram. After doing so, just refresh the page. And now after that, it loads up. You can now put up a story. Click on the plus icon over your story, and now you'll be able to add any photos or videos to your story. Click on the photo of your choice and open it up, and after that go on to this AA text. Now here just type in @ and now you can just type in the name of the person you want to tag, and here you can select the person's user ID on Instagram, and now just click on done, and then the person will be tagged on your Instagram story from your PC. And that's how you can tag someone on Instagram on your PC. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification, and don't forget to drop a comment for review. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.